Hawker 850XPI. Questions. Hydraulics. Where is monitoring the pressure applied to the main accumulator?
On the cockpit triple indicating hydraulic pressure gauge. From 0 to 4000 psi.
Which systems use piston-type accumulator?
Normal braking, emergency braking, thrust reverse systems. Located in the rear equipment bay.
Which gas is used in the pistons?
Nitrogen.
Location of the auxiliary hydraulic reservoir.
Nose wheel well.
How many times can the landing gear down using the auxiliary hydraulic system?
Only one time.
Capacity of the auxiliary hydraulic reservoir.
2.84 liters.
When and where should be checked the oil level in the auxiliary hydraulic reservoir?
During the pre-flight check. A level indicator tube on the auxiliary tank in the wheel well. Prior to flight, the level indicator tube must be full.
Auxiliary hydraulic low level.
Once the fluid drops half pint below full.
Purpose of dump valve.
To cut main system pressure.
Purpose of on-off valve.
Isolate the auxiliary system pressure lines from the main system return lines.
What happens when the auxiliary hydraulic system pull handle is pulled?
Pulling the handle up mechanically operates the on-off valve, dump valve, and unlocks the hand pump balk.
How long should the handle been pumped?
Pump until the 3 green landing gear position lights illuminate and pump resistance increases.
What is the pressure of the emergency brake accumulator during the external pre-flight inspection?
1750 psi.
Hydraulic low pressure light.
Below 1500 psi.
Main hydraulic system failed, the following systems are inoperative.
Air brakes, lift dump, normal landing gear extension, normal flap extension and retraction, nose wheel steering.
How many applications is possible when the emergency brake accumulator is fully charged?
It stores sufficient pressure for approximately 18 brake applications with 6 of them to full braking effort.
Emergency brake low pressure light.
Below 2250 psi.
How many applications are possible with the emergency brake low pressure light illuminates?
When this occurs, there are approximately 15 brake applications left with 3 of them to full braking effort.
How many pressure do the thrust reverser accumulator store?
Sufficient pressure for at least 1 complete thrust reverser cycle. Deploy, then stow.
What happens if the amber hydraulic system overheat annunciator illuminates?
Hydraulic system fluid temperature at the reservoir exceeds 90 degrees Celsius. Cycling the air brakes may cool the system. This is the end of video number 2. Questions. Hydraulics. Part 2.